Okay, so one of the most common questions I have noticed in my YouTube comments is, how do I find the head? How do I find the body? How do I find the textures for whatever skin? It's a pain to respond to all these. So I have come up with this amazing tutorial that I have for you guys. So today I'm going to show you guys how to find everything you need easily in FModel. Alright, so this right here is my Discord, link in the description if you want to join. So in here, you want to go to commands, okay? And now in here we have a bot. Now I don't take any credit for this bot. My friend made this bot and he is allowing me to use it in my server. The bot is amazing though, okay? All you have to do is type in CID and the name of the skin, as you can see here, and it will tell you the name of everything you need for that skin. So for example, if I wanted to port my main skin, which is whiteout, I would type in CID whiteout. And as you can see here, we get a full list of everything used to port this skin, okay? Very easy. Now this works with more things than skins. You can also do back blings, you can do weapons, you can do pickaxes, you can do emotes. There's even more, I think. I still need to finish listing them all out, but those are the main ones, the most commonly used ones, obviously. Okay, so now what if you want to actually port the skin, right? You gotta find all of these. So how do we find all of them? So I always like to start at the top. We've got the FMed Street Racer White, okay? So what you can do is you can copy this. You can go into FModel, you can go to Packages, Search, and then just paste that in and press enter. So you want to find the meshes. I can see right here we got Fortnite, game, content, characters, player, female, medium, bodies, and then meshes right here. We'll open this up and wait for it to load and check it out. Here we have the body. There we go, just like that, okay? So then once you want to actually export this, you can just click right here, go to folders, and then you just want to right click this whole thing and then just press extract folders packages. Okay, next we'll do the head, okay? So we have FMed mannequin head, okay? So we'll go back into here, we'll go into the search view, we'll paste that in here, and now we have this right here. This one's a lot easier. So you see this one's the mesh right here. We'll double click that. And here we have the mesh for the mannequin head as well as the textures. Easy peasy, okay? And then we have, okay, so now what if you want to port the version with no helmet, okay? Well, you can see we have variant here, no helmet. So you can see that it uses the Sarah head. Now in this case, the Sarah head does have a lot of textures and it's kind of hard to find the mesh. So in my opinion, the easier way, instead of searching for it, is to just go into the heads folder and right here at the very top, Sarah head, and then you have the meshes right there. Then you can export that. So yeah, that's the easiest way to find everything in FModel. You can do that with pretty much any cosmetic in the game and just search for the parts. And yeah, you should be good. So yeah, hopefully that helps. That's all. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.